distinguished international buyers, entrepreneurs, and esteemed guests. I am delighted to be a part of this historic occasion, I should say, and also to join you all at this important moments at the Reverse Buyers Summit 2026, which is a landmark initiative for Meghalaya and the Northeastern regions as a whole. A reverse buyers summit is fundamentally different from a conventional exhibition. RBSM is a structured, outcome-oriented platform designs to facilitate direct business-to-businesses engagement. Here, international buyers are invited to the states, matched with identified sellers, and provided a focused environment for discussions on product specifications, quality, standard pricings, and volumes, and long-term sourcing arrangement. The emphasis is not merely on showcasing products, but on converting potential into a concrete trade relationship between the other countries and the other part of the world. The RBSM 2026 will witness the participation of the 28 international buyers from 16 countries, representing key global markets including Australia and New Zealand, South Africa, Russia, Romania, Kenya, Uganda, and Zimbabwe, Bahrain, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Slovakia, Azerbaijan, and Turkey, and Canada. This buyer represents a diverse sector such as the agri and food processing, handlooms, and handicraft, traditionally textile, bamboo and wood-based products, honey, spices, and herbal and wellness products, and value-added consumer goods. On the domestic side, more than 300 MSME sellers from across Meghalaya are participating in this event today. These enterprises represent a wide spectrum of sector, including like handloom, handicraft, bamboo and cane products, wood-based craft, agro and food processing, honey and bee-based products, spices, herbal and wellness products, black pottery, and other indigenous and value-added products. The sellers have been carefully identified and mobilized through the district commerce and industry center and the other line departments, ensuring broad sectoral as well as regional representations from across the state of Meghalaya. And also I would like to highlight that the participating sellers have undergone extensive handholding and preparations. They have completed import-export code registrations and other mandatory documentation, making them export ready. This is a significant achievement and reflects the focus, effort of the Department of Commerce and Industries in building a pipeline of globally competitive MSME.
Of the globe, as well as different parts of the country, and most importantly, the sellers and the buyers from the state and from different parts of the world who are here today to be part of this Reverse Buyer Seller Meet 2026. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate the Commerce and Industries Department and all the stakeholders who have made this particular reverse buyer and seller meet a possibility. It is indeed a great moment because it is the first of the kind, not only in our state, but in the region as a whole. It's about the mindset. It's about the person being able to see a situation, analyze it and say, well, look at it and say that nothing can happen and give up. or look at that same situation from a different angle and say, wow, this may be one of the most exciting reverse buyer and seller meet that I have attended. Friends, I start with this because a program like this does not end, and I hope it will not end, with simply this particular meet. We are here to be serious and to work in a very, very definitive way forward. The journey may be very long, and the journey may be something that may not yield results for us tomorrow. But let me give you that assurance that we are truly committed to what we are doing.